Oh, hi YouTube, it's Stack Smart here again, and celebrating again tonight. I've got past my 400 subscribers. We're nearly on 25,000 views, so thank you so much for all the support of the channel. And there's been some lovely comments these last few days from people enjoying the analysis, and it's interesting, the analysis side. It doesn't always do what you expect it to do, but that's the nature of the markets, really. So yeah, tonight I'm just going to take a quick look at the charts, and then I've got a real treat for you on the pick. So at the moment, this particular pattern, we're doing what's called a falling wedge. Now normally falling wedges mean that there's going to be upside. So it didn't quite work out the way expected on Friday for non-farms, but you know, it's really difficult to predict everything that happens in the market. But in essence, this particular falling wedge pattern normally means that there's going to be some upside. So that's the short-term analysis of this particular pattern. Normally, if it's a falling wedge, which is this kind of falling wedge pattern, so you've got the top of the wedge is like that, and the bottom is like this, but it's in a falling scenario such as that, then normally that means that there's going to be some sort of upside break to take it above the channel this way. Now I'd find it unlikely for it to pierce through 17.3, but as I've said, you know, there is an upside target of 17.8 from some of the other analysis I've been doing recently. So that's the charts today. Nothing very what's the word for it? I mean, there are a couple of very strong rejection candles. This one's what's called a tombstone doji. Let me just highlight that for you. In essence, it's called that because it looks like a tombstone. It's got this kind of vertical structure, but then with a thing at the bottom like that, which means that it rose to the top of that candle, but then it was smacked down again right to the bottom of the candle, indicating a rejection to the upside. And then again we've got like a hammer type structure here. Show you that one, and that indicates that it got to that line of resistance and got smacked down again. So it seems to be quite a lot of resistance at the top of this wedge to get through to the upside. So difficult to know what's going to happen, but looks the actual pattern is a falling wedge, which would indicate upside. Yeah, so I was looking through a few of the channels and the websites, and this seems like a very good deal at the moment. This is on 24carat.co.uk, and they're selling 2008 Libertads here for £21.80. Including VAT, so that seems like a very good deal to me. I'm not sure how many of these they've actually got, but yeah, that seems like quite a fantastic deal to me. So there you go. Thank you so much for subscribing and all the lovely comments recently. Let's build community that build each other up over these next weeks. There's plenty of people that want to, you know, give us jip and talk us down. Let's talk each other up over this next month or so and build community. And yeah, hope that Libertad pick helps you out, and I think we're going to see an upside break in the silver, maybe up to 17ish. See what happens off that particular technical analysis anyway. And thank you so much for my 400 subs, and I shall talk to you next time. Please like, subscribe and comment.